Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter number 6, animals everywhere. As we know that animals live everywhere on earth. They are found in deserts, forests, grasslands, mountains, rivers and oceans. On the basis of where they live, animals are categorized into two groups, that is terrestrial animals and aquatic animals. So firstly, what are terrestrial animals? The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals, like cow, dog, goat, deer, camel, tiger, tortoise, lizards, peacocks. They all are terrestrial animals. Next is what are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. For example, fish, starfish, sea snakes, turtles, whales, dolphins, corals. They all are aquatic animals. Next topic is feeding habits in animals. As we know that the animals eating different kinds of food. So according to their food habits, animals are categorized as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. What are herbivores? The animals that eat only plants. For example, cow, goat. Next is carnivores. What are carnivores? The animals that feed on flesh of other animals like lion, tiger. Next is what are omnivores? The animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals like human beings. Next is scavengers. What are scavengers? The animals that feed on flesh of dead animals like vulture. Now we discuss about the food habits of another animals like insects. As we know that insects are very small animals. Many kinds of insects feed on nectar from flowers like bees, butterflies, moths. Nectar means rus. Bees, moths, butterflies have straw-like mouth to suck nectar from flowers. Some insects such as dragonfly, ladybird beetle eat other insects. Grasshopper eat leaves of plants. Mosquitoes suck blood of animals. Many kinds of insects feed on remains of plants and some even feed on dung of animals. Dung means waste of animals. Now we will discuss about the birds. Different birds eat different kinds of food. What they use for feeding? They use their beak for feed. The size and shape of the beak depend on the kind of food that bird eats. Birds such as dove and rock pigeon eat only seeds. Sunbird, hummingbird suck nectar from flowers with their straw-like beaks. Pelicans, penguins eat fish. Sparrows eat seeds, seedling, insects and fruits. Owls and eagles eat flesh of other animals. Eagle has strong curved beak and strong feet with sharp talons. Certain eagles of rainforest feed on small monkeys and some catch fish for food. As we know that vultures are scavengers. Why? Because they eat flesh of dead animals. Now, next topic is feeding habits in some other animals. Firstly, we will discuss about the herbivores. What are herbivores? The animals that eat only plants. Animals such as rabbit, cow, goat, elephant, tortoise, they all are herbivores. And they have broad, flat teeth that help them chew the plants. Next are carnivores. What are carnivores? The animals that feed on flesh of other animals. So animals such as tiger, lions, they all are carnivores. These animals have body features that enable them to catch their prey. Prey means shikar and tear flesh. Tear means katna. For example, tiger has strong limbs with sharp claws and very strong jaws with sharp teeth. Sharks and killer whales are carnivores with a very sharp teeth and feed on large fish. But sharks and killers are also omnivores. Mighty blue whale feeds on tiny sea organisms, mainly krill, by filtering sea water through its mouth. Next, snakes are also carnivores. Smaller land snakes feed on frogs, mice, rats, lizards, birds' eggs. The larger snakes feed on large land animals such as deer, rabbit, and other snakes. Sea snakes feed on fish. Most snakes have teeth, but they do not chew the food. Snakes swallow their food whole. Bears and foxes are also omnivores and they eat plants and animals. What are omnivores? The animals that eat both plants and animals. So next is beta study skills. Classify the animals into different groups based on the feeding habits. Eat only plants. Which animals eat only plants? They are herbivores. Next is eat flesh of other animals. That are carnivores. Eat both plants and flesh of other animals. The animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are omnivores. Next is eat flesh of dead animals are scavengers. Our next topic is movement in animals. Means how animals move from one place to another place and why they move from one place to another place. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Shelter means रहने दी जगह. They also move to escape from other animals that hunt them. Animals move in different ways. First is animals that fly. Most birds, bats, insects can fly. These animals have wings. All insects have 6 legs which help them walk. All birds have 2 wings and 2 legs. The wings enable them to fly. They walk with the help of their legs. Feet also help them take off. जो feet है उनके वो भी उनको take off करने में help करते हैं. Shape of their body and hollow bones also helps the bird fly. Hollow means खाली, means उनकी जो bones होती है वो अंदर से खाली होती है. Hollow bones की वजह से वो क्या जो birds होते हैं वो उनकी body क्या होती है light weight होती है इसलिए वो fly कर पाते हैं. So hollow bones make the body of bird light. The body of the bird is covered with different kinds of feather. Wings are covered with flight feather. They help the birds fly while the tail feathers help them control the flight. Some birds such as ostrich, kiwis, emus cannot fly as their wings are too small and weak in comparison to their large bodies. बेटा कुछ animals हैं, कुछ birds हैं like ostrich है, kiwi है, emus है. ये है तो सभी birds, इनके wings भी हैं लेकिन ये फिर भी fly नहीं कर पाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि एक तो इनके wings है जो बहुत छोटे होते हैं और क्या होते हैं वीक होते हैं इनकी बॉडी के अकॉर्डिंग. नेक्स्ट इज एनिमल्स दैट स्विम. Animals that live in water can swim. Fish swim with the help of fins. The shape of body of fish also helps it swim. Whales live in oceans. They swim with the help of flippers. Penguins spend nearly half of their lives in the water. Their wing-like strong flippers, streamlined body and webbed feet make them excellent swimmers. Birds such as ducks also have webbed feet that enable them to swim. Frogs swim with the help of their webbed feet. Now, circle the correct word. Fish swim with the help of fins or gills. We know that fish always swim with the help of their fins. With the help of gills, fish can do breathe. Second one is frogs swim with the help of their flippers or webbed feet. Frogs swim with the help of their webbed feet. Next is animals that walk, run or slide. Most animals that live on land have limbs. All such animals walk and run. जो एनिमल जिनके पास लिम्स होते हैं वो वॉक भी कर सकते हैं और रन भी कर सकते हैं. Mice, deer, dogs, lizards are some such land animals. Rabbits and kangaroos hop with the help of their strong hind limbs. Animals such as monkeys use their limbs to climb trees and jump from one tree to another. Leopards too can climb trees easily. Snakes do not have limbs. They move by sliding their bodies like this. Most snakes can swim and climb trees. Next we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.